gamers, so I haven't actually made a video on Animal Jam yet, so if my voice is quiet, I am like really tired, and yeah, so I basically don't have a lot of time, but I'm going to tell you about my channel and stuff. So I may be doing Animal Jam videos more often. I've been doing animations. I will do like tours. I have nothing in this tin. I will do like how to make din stuff. And yeah. Also, I will do trading videos, and if you know my Instagram, then you're lucky to know it, because I'm tired of changing it and stuff. It's Vevix Jr. Like, let me spell it. See, that's how you spell it, Vevix Jr. And yeah, that's my username on Instagram. Now, I will be doing giveaways. I have a giveaway right now for oh, I passed it. For this beta pirate sword, the blue one. To enter this, I have to have 12 people entered. And all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. I will be checking. Subscribe to Vevix, AJ, and comment down your user. Follow my Instagram and like my one post that makes me get a blue long. And tell me if you're a member or a non-member. And yeah, that's how we'll do that giveaway. I'm going to put it on trade so I don't forget. Okay, so I play Dead by Daylight. I am a tomboy. I like the color black. Please call me Vevix Jr. or Becky whenever you're trying to talk to me. If you're my friend, don't call me by my real name, because I do not like that. If you do, I'm going to delete your comment and report it, just so you know. Okay, and I think that's it. Bye guys, love y'all.